Welcome to this course about Vue JS, and thank you for joining. Before we get into writing code, let's first take a look at what Vue JS actually is. Vue JS is a reactive framework for building web applications. Vue is different than other JavaScript frameworks in the way that it's not as intrusive. Besides the core library, Vue consists of a set of libraries that are optional and can be combined to build more advanced web applications. This means that the framework can be adopted gradually, and you can easily have parts of your application powered by Vue and others not. This is a huge advantage because existing applications can be rewritten in small steps instead of rewriting the entire application at once. This is something that is much easier to accomplish with Vue JS than many other frameworks such as Angular, which tend to take more control over your application. Although the core library is quite simple, Vue is also extremely powerful and can also be used to build advanced applications such as single-page applications or SPAs when combining the optional libraries. These libraries include routing for making single-page applications, a resource library for making HTTP requests, validator and form libraries, a ton of UI components, and more. There are a lot of third-party libraries out there supplied by a vibrant and growing community. Vue is becoming increasingly popular, especially starting from the last quarter of 2016. It's therefore definitely a technology that has come to stay, and the future looks very bright for Vue JS. This also means that it's a safe bet for you to learn the framework. Like most other modern JavaScript frameworks, Vue supports components. Components let you write self-contained, components that contain the markup, JavaScript and CSS necessary for using this component on various pages. This is a great way to build web applications because components can then be reused in different contexts, resulting in less duplicated code and increased maintainability. Those were just some of the advantages of using Vue. Oh, and I almost forgot. Vue is extremely easy compared to other frameworks. So enough talking. Let's see just how easy it is to build our very first Vue application.